Okay, traders, mentorship video. We're looking at just quickly yesterday's signals. I'm uploading a video at the moment going through this, but what I want to mention is, righto, I took this trade yesterday based on the breakout here and it went against. And what's happening now, we're seeing the algos are very sneaky, manipulating the markets in this way. It trades down, everyone thinks it's running stops, it starts to rally, everyone piles in. They are enticing buyers here. Liquidity builds with all the stop losses on the back of this move here, and then they dump it. Right, so the volatility is starting to kick in now after this initial range, and the way that we need to beat it is take this trade, because we don't know if that's going to continue on or not. Just take it. If it turns around, we've got a sell signal right here, so we need to just let this one go. Fair enough. Jump in short here. Leave this first one running, because we don't know, if they're going to be doing that. Leave that running. Take this one, and one of them's going to turn out. Worst case scenario, it just does this, and both of them get taken out. But that's not a high probability. It's possible, but most likely outcome, it's going to trade in either direction, or it just ranges sideways. And I mean, if it's a sideways day into the London Open here, just close if both of them are still open, just close both of them at a slight loss. But in most cases, I'm thinking we're going to get something out of it either way. So that's a way around this. Okay, I opened 3 of them yesterday. I didn't take that second trade. Okay, my trade was this first one. I didn't take that second one, and it would have been a very different outcome if I had. Okay, so these were the 3. There's one more somewhere. I've lost it. It was a euro. Can't remember which one it was, guys, but yeah. So last night we had quite a nice outcome with the London Open, or the London session. Close this one early. I'm only wanting to trade session to session. This is New York opening here, London Open here. This one I closed early. It was a basket of trades, and we closed them in profit, all up pretty much. So this one was one I had yesterday. Ended up closing it in profit. Okay, we've got our exit signals coming in. Take notice of those. You can set them to go off in the alerts. All right, so we've got a Asian session opening up shortly. No, it's already started, but our first hour, we're just waiting for this initial range to play out. Last night, okay, the London session, this one was a pound Aussie trade. Again, I closed everything early, or before the New York session. You don't know if it's going to turn around and do that on us. All right, so I'm just going session to session. Basket of trades, they were all pound pairs, and with all of them closing, there was an overall, quite a nice gain. Pound yen, pound dollar. I'm still yet to tighten up my stops, but I'm getting better at it. That one was a little bit wide. Oh no, actually, I'm just going at the base of the opening range up there. Yeah, okay, so interesting day yesterday. Gold and silver, I closed both of them around the break-even level. Right, that was a non-event. Well, a little bit of a thing. Now, how could it have been different? Well, a tight stop, and an exit on that, possibly. But, okay, I didn't do that. That's fine. Now we're trading into the Asia Open. So I might as well let the video run, and I'll give you a bit of an insight as to how I'm looking to get involved here. Okay, so it's 9:54. I'm waiting for the 10 a.m. initial range to close here, and then we'll see what comes in. Just go into the alerts. I've got a few of the, the 2 alerts I've got are custom range high-low. Okay, this one here, set to 19 to 20, UTC minus 4. Make sure your chart is the same, UTC minus 4, New York down here. And the other one I've got is the momentum sync, giving us, that green signal, that red signal. Okay, this is momentum. It's not a buy or sell signal, but I'll use it as an entry signal, giving us information on multiple time frames. this one, trend momentum sync, is telling us that the 30, the 1, the 2 are dominating in terms of bullish or bearish. But it can turn around, okay? It's generally going to give us a fairly good signal. And down here, I've got the ATR multiplier at 2.5 on the 5-minute chart. So that's my setup. Open up, we've got these as well. And that could pull back. So now I'm just waiting for 9:56 my time. So I've got 4 minutes until this plays out and we see the alerts coming from the break of the initial range. All right, so I'm going to go over here to the right, my log. Let's just run through and just see what's playing out at the moment. Pound yen. Okay, we've got a bullish momentum building here. But I mean, yeah, that could be a stop run, so just be careful. Just want to see what breaks out. The bullish momentum on the US 30 at the moment, that looks overextended. That could roll over. Yeah, that could pull back. Look at it. We got the dot overextended signal here. Okay, right on the current price. Potential pullback. That would be a good trade if it rolls over. Now, if we get a red breakout of that, that'll be interesting. I'm probably going to take most of these that fire, and you know, if it turns around and goes the other way, I'll take the opposite trade. Okay, so gold is giving us a bullish thing. What have we got? Oh, it scrunches up. It's really annoying how it does that. All right, gold. Don't try to overanalyze it, guys. Just go with the signals. Just wait for this. Wait for the breakout of this initial range. 5-minute. Just watching the 15-minute over here. 30-minute bottom left. The 1 hour in the middle. 4 hour on the right. You can trade it trend in any direction. And, you know, currency strength. Look, the markets are manipulated, and the currency strength yesterday was supporting the 3 trades I took. Like this one here, the currency strength was well and truly behind me yesterday, Asia. But again, guys, the markets are manipulated, and big money has a lot of capital, enough capital to move the markets, right? So they'll set their algos to do a run like that and then turn it around. Like the Aussie was so strong yesterday, the CAD was super weak, yeah, but it went against. So, you know, currency strength, I'm not necessarily going to pay a lot of attention to. I'm just going to run with the signals. That's what I'm gaining. That's what I'm getting, you know, from doing this. Again, it's a new strategy. This configuration, the way we've set it up, has only been running since Friday. All right, so it's very new, and I'm, you know, having to come to terms with it and become accustomed to how it sort of plays out, as well as everyone else. I mean, it's a evolutionary process for all of us, but quite a good one, I have to admit. So pound yen looks like it's wanting to trend bullish. Let's just have a quick look at that. I don't mind that bullish, guys. I could even jump on that. And if it turns around and heads the other way, then I'll take the other trade. If you want to go, you know, currency strength, okay, pound is strong. The yen is, well, the yen is strong too. Look, they're both up there. CAD is weak. Okay, pound CAD, yeah, you could, but look at the movement here. Okay, pound yen I'm going to buy. Let's just do it. Short, long, go in. Stop loss, I'll go down here and go to or you can go to this MM3. Let's just run it up here somewhere. Pepperstone. Okay. Tight stop. Let's just give it a shot. Market 30. Going to go down 0.2. So I'm going to open a few trades. Buy. See how we go, guys. Aussie yen is moving. Okay, I'm going to take it. It's pretty quick. Let's just jump in there. Long position. Okay, stop is just going to go under there. Go to that'll do. It's moving quickly, so you know it's scalping. We can adjust our stops and things later on. Let's go 0.2. Just knock it back that little bit. All right, what else is running? The euro yen is running. Okay, the yen pairs, and if they turn around, as I said, I will long position. I will take the other trade. Go short. That's the case. 2R. Right click. Limit order. Market order. 0.2. Come on. It's remembering my old setting. Aussie yen, euro yen, pound yen, $1.30, US 30. Oh, I want to see that. Oh, you know what? Those yen pairs could turn around on us. If this drops, that would strengthen the yen. Okay? So we might be getting caught with these. Fine. If it drops and the yen strengthens, we just take the other trade. As I said, Okay, let's not overanalyze it. Let's just run with the signals. Don't get complicated. Just stick with this chart. Keep it simple. Euro Swissy, Euro Swiss. That's a pretty deep. I will take a sneak peek at the. Look at the dollar taking a dive. Okay, pound euro Aussie is strong. Pound euro Aussie Kiwi is strong. The dollar's taking a dive. What have I missed? Aussie dollar. All right. I took that on MT4. All right, if it turns around and goes the other way, we run with it. Pound Aussie. Oh, here we go. It's all starting to happen. Pound Aussie. They're both strong. Gonna let that one go. CAD yen. I'll run with gold. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, gold is letting me do it. 0.2. Buy. All right, the dollar pairs. Okay, the Aussie, the Kiwi, the pound, the yen, the dollar pairs, pound dollar. Take it. Don't know what happened to the Aussie because that's working. The Aussie dollar. It's still got this thing. Euro dollar, I'm going to go long. It's pushing up. Let's just do it. Long position. Stop under. All right, create limit order, market order. Still doing it. Look at that. Oh, it's really bad. All right, it's allowing that. All right, keep an eye on. Okay, the yen pairs, what are they doing? All right, let's keep an eye on it. What I might do is set up a, if that breaks my stop loss, let's just be notified. All right, Aussie dollar, I'm bullish. Let's just call it a stop loss break. Let's do that. Stop loss, create. Euro yen, if my stop gets taken out. Yeah, see, we're getting a bearish break now. So that would be a sell. I'm going to leave this one running and I'm going to take the opposite trade. Short position, 2R. Will it let me? All right, Euro yen. I'll take the opposite trade. So one of them will get taken out. What are the yen pairs doing? I don't know. I mean, they're still bullish. And the yen's trending down. I might just leave it at that for now. The CAD is weak. Okay, so the pound, euro, Aussie, New Zealand CAD. Let's see what they're doing. Euro, yen, pound, CAD. Yeah, pound, CAD would be bullish. Okay, euro, dollar, what happened there? Oh, okay, that's our limit buy. That's entered, okay. The pound, the euro, the pound, CAD. That would be bullish, but not yet. All right, fair enough. I just want to set up some alerts, stop loss alerts. Okay, we've got this one running both directions for now. Euro dollar, I'm going to set a stop loss alert message. Create. Pound yen, what's it doing? Oh, we'll just hang in there. It's not giving me a red signal yet. Pound dollar. Might as well set up this stop loss alert. Why not? Actually, the alert that I really want is a break of this low. Gold. Yeah, if it breaks that low, I mean, it's going to give us the alert anyway. No, we'll see how we go. That Aussie dollar. I like the Aussie dollar. Just go by limit. Okay, that's entered. All right, so the yen pairs are my only real concern at the moment. That one's breaking bearish, so I'm good to take that trade. The Aussie, okay, that's euro yen. Looks at Aussie yen, pound yen. Yeah, interesting to take both sides of the trade. All right, that's not doing anything at the moment. Oh, we're in a gold trade. Okay, just have a look and see how that's playing out. Yeah, okay, guys, good. See how we go. Things have quietened down a little bit. The log, Euro Aussie, what's that doing? They're both strong, so I will probably leave it alone. Bearish, Euro Aussie. Oh well, we don't have a red signal. We've got a green signal, not a red one. Yeah, it's a good idea to do the video, while it's all happening so you get a bit of a sense. Okay, it's kind of quietened down. I might just pause the video here and come back a bit later on. So my Euro yen buy has been taken out, but my sell is running. The Aussie yen buy is still running, but I've got a sell in here as well. And the pound yen buy has taken out, and now the sell. Okay, so that's going to counter. So everything seems to be looking interesting. Okay, we've got an Aussie yen that's still running, that Aussie yen long, but everything else is coming together. All right, so this is what I was talking about in this last video that I posted. Have a look at it. All right, over here, scalping strategy, some recent signals. Strategy explained, prop firm account. This is really important, guys. This is the video and where I explain this strategy where we're taking the opposite trade. So in here, I've just uploaded a new video breaking down yesterday's blah, blah, blah. In it, we cover how to trade at effective common pitfalls with market manipulation. So that's what I'm covering right now with this video. So it's in VIP recent signals. All right, so the buy didn't work out. Now we run with this short. And we only need this to reach 1R to cancel that out, or 2R to be ahead. What we can do, if you want to, is set up a 1R, because we've lost 1R, so yeah, and I'm just going to leave this one running, let it go. I mean, it's most likely going to get taken out, this buy. We could lose it, but, we don't know if that's just going to turn around and trade bullish, so let's just leave it there. Oh, okay, if it gets taken out, it gets taken. It may or may not get taken out, right? What I'm saying is, just in case, you never know, it holds here and does that, then we're in, right? But nah, just leave it alone. Just let it go. Let it get taken out. That's the easiest thing. Don't mess around. Stick with the strategy. Yeah, so that one's running the CAD yen. Yeah, I didn't enter long on that one. I just gone short. Yeah, what we can do is just set up an alert here for when this reaches 1R. I'm going to use a trend-based fib extension. Click in the direction, click on your entry, but I've got this set up in here. My risk-reward measure tool. I'll show this to you so you can use it. So when that reaches 1R, right there, set up the alert, 1R reached. And that'll be a break even if you want to close it at that. Aussie yen, we've got a euro yen, same thing, we can do that as well. See, that's nearly at 1R. Short, long, okay, I'll show you what I've done with this so you can copy it. So that's our entry. Click, come back to your entry and click. Grab that, wiggle it to the stop loss. And 1R is there. Okay, 1R reached. All right, so if you want to cancel that, 1R lost, 1R reached, that will bring it back to break even if you like. Show you what I've done with it. Okay, so this is the trend, it's a trend-based fib extension. You can pause the video and snapshot that if you like. So that's what I've done. They're the levels that I've got there. And it gives me risk-reward extension. Okay, 3R, 4R, 5R. Euro yen, the pound yen was the other one. All right, I'd like to know when that reaches my 1R target. Horizontal, go down to 1R, set the alert, 1R. Okay, we are good. Right, keep an eye on the signals. Bearish. Oh, stop loss crossing. Yeah, see that crossed my stop loss. I wanted to know that. That's the stop loss on that buy. Bearish momentum avalanche. I think I might have, yeah, take that one, go short. So I'm coming down to this high here now with my stop loss. It's going to go 1R, one a little bit. See down here, measured move number 2. Measured move 2, we'll go there. Righto, we've got profit level. I can send this over to VIP. Yeah, I was going to send that in earlier and I missed it when it was way back up in here. It's probably going to pull back. You know what I might do? I might do that. Let's see if we get an alert here. Oh, we've got a whole bunch of stuff going on now. Okay, bearish momentum, pound Aussie. The pound was pretty strong. It's pulled back. Might just hang in there with the trades that we've got. Although, Aussie yen, euro CAD, that's pushing up. They're both weak. I'm not entirely, I mean, just run with the signals. You never know. This thing can turn around so quickly. Let's just do it. Long position. Go. My wide stop. 2R. Create an order. And if it goes the other way, we just take the other side of it. Why not? Easy. Buy. See how we go with that. Pound Aussie. Bearish momentum. Yeah. Just starting to kick in here with the momentum sink. Hold back a little bit. Okay, so we're hedging with these yen trades. All right. Coming over here, this is starting to look a little bit healthy now. This one, the Aussie yen, is still down. Okay. Right, we've lost these two. See that? Okay, these are the euro and the pound yen. 160. Okay, we're down 170. But, okay, but we're starting to gain on these. So this is what's going to counter. And even if we lose this one, we've got an Aussie yen sell, we might lose that. But we've got this Aussie yen, we've got a buy, we might lose that one. but we've got an Aussie yen sell set up to take its place. Well, just let it all play out. Okay, I will be back. What's this? Pound Aussie. Let it go. All right, guys, I'll pause the video and come back. All righto, traders. Okay, this is nearly at 2R. I might knock it on the head. Moved very, very quickly. Let's just have a look at. Yeah, see, we've got a red signal here that moved really nicely. So that one here is telling us to be careful because it's going to pull back very soon. Righto. And here's the thing, look. Okay, account history today with those yen pairs that we hedged, right? So we're 9 and 9. Let's just 180. We're down 180 and we're up 340. So we could knock everything on the head and we're well and truly ahead if you wanted to. There's no harm in doing that, guys. No harm in doing that. Look at that. All right. I don't mind doing that at all. Let's just call it quits. Take our money and run. I'm gonna close everything. Don't you love it? All right. So this is a really good way to manage the risk. Just knock it all on the head while you're ahead. No pun intended. All right. Okay. So I think we've really got ourselves a winner with this strategy. I'm more than happy with that, to be honest. And it's short and sweet. We're over and done with. I actually went and had a break, had lunch, closed. And look, if you wanted to, you could let it run through the Asian session into the London Open. There's no harm in doing that. And, you know, from here moving forward, you know, we'll just play around with it. That was the first Aussie yen stop loss was hit, and second Aussie yen slight profit. All right, Aussie dollar, yeah, 1R, CAD yen, nice, 1R. Now we'll probably get a bit more out of it, but I think the idea is just keep taking money out of the markets, guys. No, don't beat yourself up for closing early like this. You know, I mean, that could pull back and head into break even for all I know. That's a nice 1R gain there, euro yen. Now, while you're ahead, and if you're consistent, just taking money out of the markets every day like this. Oh, okay. So we lost one. We lost 1R on this one's just close to break even. That's all right. We're down 1R on that one. This one's nice. We're nearly 2R. But look, we've got signals coming in here now telling us that, we want to be very careful because it's most likely going to pull right back. I don't have an issue with where we're at the moment, to be honest. I couldn't be happier. So this one reached, didn't quite, look, I could have left it, I could have let it run, and who knows, but we're down 1R and we're up 0.5. We're only down 0.5R with that, and we've gained a lot with the others. And I mean, again, guys, you can just experiment with it. You can let it run, for most of the session if you like. But I'm really happy, like every day, if the basket of trades is well and truly in profit, close the basket. Close that basket of trades and be done with it. Yeah, this is kind of range bound, not really going anywhere at the moment. Oh, I've still got a pound dollar running. Close it. Yeah, well and truly ahead. So what I'll do is just measure today's Asian session and just see how that panned out. Right, I've just measured it on my spreadsheet. Asian session, this is just the Asian session today. Okay, we lost these guys and we gained these guys. And these were the Aussie yen, euro yen. All right, the Aussie pound and euro yen, I should say. The Aussie pound and euro yen. All right, so I bought those. They were buy, and then we sold to counter. So 2.6R in one session is just brilliant. And we've got on my account, 248. That's trading at 0.2% risk per trade. That would be vastly different at 0.3 or 4%. But just be careful if you increase. Couldn't be happier. I think we've absolutely nailed it, guys. 100%. I'll probably take the rest of the day off. Have a fantastic day. We've had another profitable week. Still working out some bugs this week. It wasn't a hugely profitable week, but we came out ahead. And again, this particular configuration of the strategy has only just come together since last Friday. So it's been a week. And the best is yet to come, so don't miss out on it. All right, guys. With that, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.